Chris, you even forget say I did serious meeting with Jesus. They beg for waiting I go manage this tomorrow. Okay, now Jesus don't run go because of this your kai voice. Hey, Jimmy Papa. Wabwadam. Ununi, why I go know you? I know they fear you. I know they fear this your face. You see this your tingly body? I know they fear am. Don't come. See, listen. I get better message from Jesus. He say make una take small money for what you take less. Make una give me. Make I take manage. Take God, even if it's not 5 cents. The crazy. Not be me you did the insult now. The poor mouth like woman wey pregnant new. Wait to say na pain they worry. I'm no say na newly pregnant enter. Make I give you my money. Well, I know even who. I'm the thing now. I know who money to give you. But I don't know. Maybe I get bad belly give you. I don't know for soldier. Your man now.
Brother, I understand, okay? I understand your sentiments. You know, as a brother, I want to help you. You understand? I want to help you. But I was having 20 CDs and I've used 10 CDs to settle a long time debt. You know, in this current economy, you can't live without, borrowing. I have to borrow to support myself. So it's left with 10 CDs. So out of that 10 CDs, I used 3 CDs to eat wache this afternoon. Wache sweet. I used 3 CDs by wache this afternoon. Remaining 7 CDs. And I'm also thinking of eating banku and okra stew with fish in the evening. Plus meat, don't forget I like meat too. Which will consume about 3 to 12.
Oh my brother, help this man, it won't happen. What you say?
Brother, let me die before you bury me, okay? Yeah? Let me die before you bury me. Nonsense.
Brofu.
Short fool.
Brofu.
Short memory.
Brofu.
Small brain.
Brofu. Useless speaking.
As I was saying, I was having 7 CDs, okay? I used some of the money to eat food, and I've already eaten. To use that one as well to buy food the next morning. Cocoa, bread, egg, milk, and sugar. Go rich, So nothing good day, actually, nothing good day. Why change your face? I don't know, okay? I don't know whether you can have a little bit patience for about 3 weeks. But I don't know how...
3 weeks?
Yeah, 3 weeks. Why? I was even about to say 1 month.
Common 1 square meal. 1. In fact, half job. In fact, my situation now, it don't come out from bad to worst.
Brother, you complain too much. Have you forgotten that God don't like people who complain a lot? It's like you have doubt in your faith.
See, Pastor, no be what you think. In fact, no be say me I dey complain too much. You man know me now. Say my faith strong like as rock. In fact, it's strong past as rock. One thing I believe is this Papa will create two of us. No go ever let us die for this life.
You see, Psalms 91 says, because he loves me, says the Lord, I will rescue him, I will protect him, for he acknowledges my name.
Pastor, that one self makes sense. Lie no dey inside at all. But since I come, I never see Madam. She go funeral ceremony. Sorry, wedding ceremony.
No, she went to see one of her sisters who actually came from the village.
Okay. Madam, na good woman. In fact, Pastor, God just arrange her from heaven. Yeah, they even plan say very soon when I get money, I will go give her with people for sure. But I don't know why it's like saying God. You don't hear one good, you don't want to hear good about that woman.
Oh no, as long as we remain faithful to him. So you don't have to think that way.
Yeah, that one makes sense, sure. But Pastor, the way things dey waka, Pastor, you know things say Jesus go fit commit sin.
Excuse me, brother. Children of God don't say such a thing. Look, he cannot sin. He is the creator. We don't do that. Please. So what about Brother Soldier and Brother Bojan?
Owowo, Pastor. If I tell you, if I open this my mouth, tell you, waiting this my two naked eyes see last night, Pastor, you go this side they play. You go say, Owowo, they laugh. See, you know that soldier, where they behave like Holy Father Mary. Pastor, you go follow Boja, go pursue Ashawo yesterday night.
Are you sure of what you are telling me?
Pastor, even now this night, this morning, now they come back. As me and you, they talk here now. They do for us, they sleep.
Brother Owowo.
See, Pastor, now the whole truth, now I just tell you so. Very disappointment.
Is that so?
Yes, Pastor.
Okay then, go and call me Brother Soldier.
Okay, Pastor. Pastor, this don't worry. In fact, you consign me. Where is the going for my life? Me self, I don't talk my life. So I don't know if I could get any attendant from me. I can take home myself. I take God.
Brother Owowo. Right now, I don't have anything. You go and call me, brother. So when it comes, I will know what to do.
Killing my destiny and failing my plan. I catch you that I was just a scam. Looking in my eyes and calling it fun. How I go do I just for sure. And the money at the send and the religion at the send, I must confess. Always see. And the better at the flat and the flip.
Even if now one Ghana, make I take buy condom this night.
What?
No wonder. Guess the boy swerving. K1 freestyle all day. Some classic lifestyle, man. Let go. K1 in the mix.
All day, got more flows. Life really good, maybe you don't know. You don't know. Here the super stay low. We have got glow.
Master, how far now? No far.
Any problem?
Oh, no problem, no problem. I get one lucky one, sir. I don't know if you go to buy for me. Lappy.
You sure say na your own.
Now my own. I guess more problem. That's why I want to sell them.
Okay, make I see. Sure say this one a correct machine.
This one na correct machine. I mean, better correct second-hand brand new machine. Where you see so?
Shut up. Decrease. Owowo. I better pass this one. Who cost school?
Oh, master.
Which one be a second-hand brand new? Or they don't talk you say when something don't become second-hand, it no longer be brand new again.
Okay, I don't. Okay, that's like news. I'm here.
How much you want for the better machine?
Oh, master, just small money, small money. Small money make I use go pay my mommy hospital.
Charlie, how much you want for your how much you want say your correct second-hand, slightly used brand new machine?
Okay, me patch sure, mommy 300 Ghana cedi only.
What's it there?
No, me say mommy 300 Ghana cedi only.
Your father only. For this Boko Haram bomb?
Oh, master, I don't think it's this weakness. This one will be Boko Haram. Okay, it's okay. How much you want pay me?
See, this one no dey grand again. People know they to buy this one. See, the old son, see, all this not don't come out. In fact, make I give you 40 Ghana.
Hey, master. How there? You bought? Yeah, I want to do the business plus you. Why you
If I ask you, if you ask me, make I talk. One, no say you no go fit talk. I was talking not to take this money. Because even the money I don't hold am for here, I could collect am from one woman wey don dey help me for 2 weeks now. So you better take am. You man no saving fly. Now they find shit wey go sit on top. Charlie, the economy, this economy. I'll take this money. If I take am, if I go change my mind though.
Oh, master, I beg you, please come up small now. I mean, I won't do the business plus you. Why are you like this? This machine like this 40 Ghana. Why now? Hey, come up small, I beg you.
Me, come up small.
Add something, I beg you, please. Add something.
Wait.
Add something.
Add what?
I beg you.
My life. Oh, in fact, Charlie, see, business finish. No buy you. Cha. You go your way. Make I go my own way. The money?
Yeah, I said bring the 40 Ghana account, bring an account.
Okay. Let's go. Make I collect money for my
You don't know, Hennessy for stay low. Me, I've got dough, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high. I'm feeling high like a kush. Man, I'm feeling so high. I'm feeling high like a kush.
Now everybody know my name, call me Gizzy Boy Swerving.
And failing my plan. I catch you that we're just a scam. Looking in my eyes and calling it fun. How I go do I just for Sean. And the money at the send, and the treasure at the send, I must confess. Always you see. And the flirting at the flirt, and the feelings at the get, I am depressed. All juju. Finding the sign, I saw the bright. And it came that I see the light. Picking the phone, I saw the call. Not only that, I just foresaw. And the parties with the brain for skinning me in pain, hitting me with clay. Oh, what a day. Thinking that we could play a game. Sana, oh baby, it was a shame. Why you did do that? Why just play your brother? Just play your brother for the game. Why you did do that? Why you did do that? Why just play your brother? Just play your brother for the game. Flying high, you pulled me back. See myself, what a slack. Spending my money made me handicapped. I never knew it was a crap. Now see me high, waving the flag. Hands for clap, champagne pop. Come to the dancing floor, give me hug. Oh guys, only slide, no more sweetie pie. Edru baby, I hear no sound. No option than to hit the ground. You see myself with a frown. But my house have I get my crown. Hello, this be hello.